Now for something a little different. 3 summers ago, I took the rocker panel off my car, the plastic cover, and it was rusty. No surprise. This is a 2009 Ford Taurus. And that's what it's titled as. But it had rust. So I went ahead and I cut away the rust. And I covered it with flex tape. And we are about to see what 3 years of flex tape sealing off that piece here. Let's see what it looks like. Gotta change the band-aid every 3 years or so. I don't know. Let's find out what's under here. Alright. I was wrong. I did this one last year. I did the other side 3 years ago. But this will be interesting too. What I did was I took my saw and I cut off the rust. This was all rusted out here. This black stuff, I don't know if you can see it very well in the picture. Let me get you some freehand here. This black stuff in here is Great Stuff Black. Great Stuff Black, water resistant foam, you know. So I sprayed that crap in there last year. And it filled up the void. And then I put flex tape over it here to seal it off. It worked alright. This stuff seems to be alright. Got a little rust here. But that's a year's worth of wear and tear on the rust. So I'm going to go ahead and put a new piece of tape on there. Clean all this dirt off of here. Put some fresh flex tape on there. And we'll be good for another year. So just checking out how this thing is rusting on me here. Not too bad. I'm gonna come down here and hit it. I did all sorts of rust removing and priming and shit. So yeah, might be due to take that plastic cover off again. Let's see what's under there. I'm not in the mood to do that. Pushing the wrong buttons. Today I'm just going to take and change the band-aid. Get me through another year. This is the one I did 3 years ago. It does not have the foam backing on here. So I suspect this is going to be worse. I'm going to get you on a stand. Hold on a second. Alright. Alright. Well, the rust does not want to give up. So, son of a gun. Well, darn it. Just gonna clean it out, put a new band-aid on it. This car, if I get 2 more years out of it, I'll be lucky. So, it is what it is. I ain't gonna worry about it. If I can just slow it down a little bit. I'll hit the rust with some rust treatment and slap another band-aid on it and look at it again in 2 years. Alright. Put that in there. This is a Rust-Oleum rust reformer. I like it. Let that dry, we'll get back to it. And then we'll do a coat of black lacquer over that. The rust reformer actually does a really bad job of preventing rust. So, go figure. You gotta paint anything you spray with rust reformer with paint, or it will rust surprisingly fast. So, call that good. Okay, hopefully that's not too loud. I keep my flex tape in a plastic bag. It keeps it fresh. It's a trick I learned from an old employee. This stuff is extremely sticky. So you kind of want to get it right the first time. What do you think? Good to go? I like it. Good to go for me. I'm gonna go do the same thing on the other side. Tear the watch. I'll take you over there. Alright, here's the driver's side. Pretty basic stuff. You're a little bit in my way. All right. We're good. Good for another year. I don't know if I'll have this car in a year. Almost 300,000 miles on this car. I need new tires that I'm going to get next week, I hope. And we're good to go. Hot diggity ding. Good old flex tape covering the rust right up. That's all I got for you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.